friends, welcome back to the garden. Today we're harvesting these beautiful radishes and turning them into something tangy, crisp, and absolutely delicious. Pickled radishes. I'll show you a few different ways to pickle them, from quick refrigerator pickles to classic vinegar brine. Grab a jar, let's get started.
The garden is anything like mine. In late spring, early summer, the radishes come on
fast and furious. While some people love to eat them fresh with a little bit of salt, pickling is one of my favorite ways to preserve them. Once they're pickled, they're absolutely beautiful. They add such a nice zangy crunch to tacos and salads, sandwiches, or just eating straight from the jar.
Grandma?
Keeping all the roots together help the greens get less dirt in them. The next thing we're gonna do is take the radish root from the green. So now we're taking all of the radishes and taking off the little stub that's on them. And then she's gonna turn it around and do the little root tail part. And then the radish is going into just a bucket of water. It'll help just keep them nice and crisp until I get them washed.
First thing we need to do is slice them thinly. You can also cube them or cut them however you like them. Cut out any yucky spots. Then our first method of pickling them is simply adding them to any leftover brine that you already have from dill pickles, sweet pickles, any kind of pickles you like. Pop them into the fridge to sit for at least an hour, preferably longer, and they're ready to start snacking on. Now let's make some super simple brines to pickle them in. I've got 5 different recipes, so hopefully one of them will suit your taste. I've got my jars ready with the sliced radishes in them, and then the ingredients are all laid out. I've got apple cider vinegar, white vinegar, sugar, mustard seed, a pickling seasoning, peppercorns, bay leaf, crushed red peppers, garlic, a banana wax pepper, and some kosher salt. For the first recipe, we're going to add 1/2 cup of the apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup of water, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of a pickle seasoning, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of peppercorns. This is optional, but we added a 1/2 teaspoon of dried crushed red pepper also. Then I put it on high so it heats up fast. We just need to dissolve the sugar and the salt before adding it to the radishes. Then you pour it into the jar, making sure all of the radishes are covered. Place a lid on it, and then you wait at least an hour. I let them cool down on the counter. Second recipe, 1 cup white vinegar, 1 cup water. You'll need 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of peppercorns, and a 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Then we're going to let these heat up and dissolve those sugars and salts, and then they'll be ready to pour into the pickle jars. This recipe will fill up 2 pint jars. Lid on, and then sit and wait for it to cool down and get the flavors mingled in there. Third recipe, we have 1/2 cup apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, and then 1 cup of water. We're going to dissolve that sugar and salt. Pour the solution over the radishes, lid on, and let it cool down. For the fourth recipe, I grabbed a sweet banana pepper and added it to the radishes, along with a couple cloves of garlic that were halved and added to the jar. For the brine, we're going to heat 1 cup of water with 1 cup of white vinegar, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of sugar or honey, a 1/2 teaspoon of peppercorns, and then heat to dissolve all of the sugar and salt. This one fills a quart jar. So you're going to fill it up, make sure the radishes are covered, and then place a lid on it. And then this fifth recipe is our absolute favorite. It's delicious. We're going to use a cup of water and a cup of white vinegar, a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, and I already added garlic to the jars. It'll make 2 pint jars. Anyways, heat that up until it is dissolved and ready to pour onto the radishes. Pour it into the jars to make sure all the radishes are covered, and then put a lid on those. And then this is our final product. I put different colored sticky notes on every recipe so that the family could taste them and we could come up with a rating system for each of the different varieties. 5 people taste tested them. The results are the first and second recipe came in third place, tie. The third recipe was the least favorite. The fourth recipe was the second favorite, and the very last recipe was our absolutely hand-downs favorite out of all 5 recipes.
Pickled radishes are so fun. They add a lot of flavor and color to your meals. If you're not sure what to do with the greens, don't throw them out. Go ahead and watch my radish playlist. I'll put it in the description box below. If you want to watch more videos of what to do with the stuff you grow, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.